So you want to welcome your Shopify customers with a personalized email on Gmail. But do you really have the time to do that manually every time you have a new order? It can be quite tiresome. That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps. To begin, you will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will add your Gmail and Shopify accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. We keep your data secure. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you would like to transfer from Shopify to Gmail. Once you complete this step successfully, Automate.io will send a personalized email using Gmail when you get a new order in your Shopify store. First, let's focus on Shopify, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when your automation should start. This is when you get a new order in Shopify. Now coming to Gmail, it's the action app, which defines what action should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to send an email whenever we get a new order in our Shopify store. For this automation to work, we need to fill the right value in the required input fields for Gmail. First, enter the subject line and body of the email. Then, add the first name in the text. And as you can see, by default, the email type is selected as plain text. And this template already has the customer email address and the customer first name mapped, just like this. But you can map or add more data from Shopify for more personalization. You can add a few extra lines like this. We've completed the setup for our bot. Now, let's move on to test it out. To do so, click on Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether our bot works the same way we would like it to. We can do this by either entering sample data or by creating a new customer in Shopify. I will show you how to test by creating an order in Shopify. Go to the Order tabs in Shopify. Click on Create Order. Under Find or Create a Customer, select or create a customer. Enter the first name, last name, and email identification. Click on Save Customer. Now, in Order Details, click Add Custom Item. Next, fill in some details for your order like this. And then click Save Line Item. At the bottom, click Mark as Paid, and then finally click Create Order. Now move to the dashboard of Automate.io and click on Done. And always remember, when you click on Save Your Bot, Automate.io will actually send an email using Gmail when you get a new order in Shopify. So your bot will now run in the background and do all your work. And if you would like to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Thank you for watching this video.